Oh hey, welcome to another edition of Hand-Laid Tracks and 3D Printed Trains with Socrates. Today we're looking at Intermodal Deep Well Car. This is a 40-foot, as you can see. Has a removable load, 40-foot cargo container. Sits inside of it. Got your basic things on the bottom as it normally does. Got some handrails on it. It's printed in 4 colors at this point. I found a version of it, this 40-foot TTX version. I made it as well, like that. Has the 40-foot bottom container and a 53 on top. And if you want, a couple magnets. Holds together pretty well. Rides pretty well. You can see back there. It's doing pretty good on the tracks. And the magnets on the top, they have basically 4 spots for the magnets in both the 40 and the 53. So if you want a double stack, you can put magnets on the top and bottom. You could put a double stack of 40s if you want. At this point, this is just a 40-foot car, so it doesn't fit the 53s on the bottom. Generally, these kind of cars come in 40-foot and 53 versions at least. So this is the 40-foot. It's a bit long for the track, so I like the way it worked out so far. Like I say, it's made with multiple color prints on the bamboo. Has printed with supports. It prints this way with supports. So it prints with supports like that. They pop off the bottom and it has sort of my standardized bottoms that clip into the bottom. Here's a quick video of me putting the thing together, and then you can check it out on Cults. So this is how I take the supports off. I print this with supports. They're also inside. I made a small little tool that fits inside here, protects the top so you can push on the bottom, and it keeps you from more likely to hurt that, and that way you can also use it to push in the couplers and also the ends, because I have those little tiny piece ends that go into it, hold the couplers in place. You can see me snapping them in there. I made these just a little bit smaller so they fit a little better than earlier ones. If you had my earlier cars, these fit pretty much better right off the bat. And with everything, most every way I do these cars, they have the micro-change couplers in the bottom, and this just slips in here. These are magnetic, so if you put the magnets in, if you don't put magnets in, they're definitely not going to be magnetic. But they come with basically magnets on top and bottom. Generally speaking, I'm just putting magnets on the top of the 40s and the bottoms of the 53s, so they fit in your normal double stack configuration, and that's your normal thing. So that's a 40-foot intermodal well car with 40-foot 53 cars and 15 different container cargo vessel for it as well. Get it on Cults. Check it out. Thanks for watching this. This was Hand-Laid Tracks and 3D Printed Trains. Hand-Laid Tracks and 3D Printed Trains. I came for the trains, but I stayed for the song. Everybody home is singing along.